Great morning, guys. So we just arrived Gare du train station in Paris, and we will take a train to Belgium. Takes approximately an hour and a half, and I'll show you inside what they have and also the journey till we get there. So here you go, guys. This is the main entrance. And let's enter and explore together. So this is the main entrance. I'm gonna go ahead and take a look where our train is. And, all right. I see. Okay, so we're gonna be downstairs, which is 10 or 9. Showed the red Eurostar train, and so this will now be international. Actually, coming down from London, it was, so they did passport check. But here, I believe they're just gonna check the tickets, and that's pretty much it. So here you go. They line up, and when our time comes, we have approximately another couple hours, and then we'll take the train. All right. So we'll go ahead and explore, and give you guys. There's a lot of stores, but it's too early. Might be closed. It's very cold inside, guys. If you're planning to come, definitely bring very warm clothes. Even this is not enough for me. And yeah, definitely it's cold out here. So what we have here, people line up. It's for I think it's coffee shop as well. So in case you're running late, you need your coffee, train station has it. And I believe it's about 6 a.m. in the morning, so that's open. You don't have to worry about that. And so you have some shops around here, and most of them are closed down that way. So last minute shopping. You have your taxi stand. This is for arrivals, I believe. And we have sitting area in the back. There's also Starbucks as well, as I can see. So this is the shop. They have a lot of pastries, and Starbucks is here as well, but it's not open. So probably a little bit later. We'll check the time and let you guys know. So we are today, let's see, Friday. So it's a 6, but it's not open yet. Interesting. So yeah, you could have a sit here, enjoy your cup of coffee, tea, whatever you prefer. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I believe the London one, the London train station was a couple floors, and it was huge. Here it's easy access if it's not international. In London, international is upstairs, second floor. And I believe there's downstairs too. Let me see. Yeah, there's downstairs. And I think that's shops, if I'm not mistaken. We have Five Guys, the burger over here. And here we have the pastries. It's getting ready to be open. And you can see this section It's going different places. I believe one is Brussels, one is Amsterdam. The other one, I've seen it the board quite a bit of places. There's a lot of vending machines as well. I think one train just arrived. That's where you see a lot of people right now. Early in the morning, and you can see your train. You have Amsterdam, also St. Queen. And we have a Christmas tree actually, right in the middle. And here we have another store. Seems like again it's closed for now. They have a lot of stuff in there. And let's go from the other side. So mostly non-international is the first floor, guys, and international will be upstairs, hall 2, as you can see from up top. That goes to London. And yeah, so you have some pastries right over here. Alright guys, so we're gonna wait and until the train comes, and then I'll show you guys some more once we get on the train. See you in just a bit. Alright guys, so it's time to get in. Let's go ahead. Isn't it this one? Yo. Isn't it this one? Alright guys, so we're gonna get in right now. We're on Crusoe 2. We're gonna check the tickets and we're gonna get in. So this takes directly to Brussels, and then at the end it's Amsterdam, but we need to get out at Brussels.
That's okay, thank you.
Yes, so I'm just gonna hop in, and this is the seats. Right over here.
Fair.
And bags. I'm gonna go try to find our seats. Come on. People trying to find, so it's gonna be our seat. It's a small train. I'm out of breath because I needed to put the bags. But it's nice, comfortable. And we'll show you once he moves. This is 56. This is my seat right over here, guys.
See you the next time.
Suite à la nuit par l'extérieur en 15 de 500 من drunk Spaniard, Sachen and the Bardo.
of the right side of the direction of travel.
Alright guys, we just arrived. 1 hour and a half.